You already know what we're here for. I got my cousin with me this time. We're going to pick up some goodies for the G8. You already know what we're about to do today. He always in his damn phone.
Get your ass in there.
Alright guys, so we got the headers here. We're gonna go back home. Got the little shirt. But yeah, SM just speed shop. So they gonna have everything you need. So look, we finna go ahead and get back home. I got a lot to tell y'all. Alright, y'all already know we had to stop by Fuel City to get that good ass burger. You already know. Amazon. All y'all out there, I recommend y'all come. If y'all want a good ass burger, come to Fuel City. Just take my word for it. Just take my word for it, all right?
Make a hoe get it right quick. Yeah, I got flavor.
So what's good, you guys? We're back at another video. We got one little part to install today. Essentially, it's just a drive shaft center support bearing. You know, if you have a G8 or if any of you Chevy SS guys, y'all already know the center support bearings in our cars, they always fail after a few good runs, a few good mileage. They always end up going out. But today we finna fix that. We finna fix that with I can't remember the company, but I'll leave it in the description. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump to this video. Yeah, Chad, I think I need some new exhaust gaskets in the back. These shits, goddamn. Oh, fuck. Let me go ahead and get this side off. All right, guys, now I got y'all a clear view of what we're about to be doing. We're gonna be cutting relieve slits right here. Pretty much you just wanna get this metal bracket away from this actual rubber. So we're gonna have to cut, boom, boom, all right? All right, so I finally got the center support bearing cut off. This is the other piece I was talking about that goes around. This is the other little rubber piece. If I can grab it, shit. Man, I'm so fucking tired, y'all. Like I've been at this for more than I should have, but hey, I'm doing this, figuring it out, so y'all don't have to actually think about it. Y'all can just do the same thing I did. Show you what it looked like now. Oh, that's what it looks like now. Now that I cut that off. And essentially, you just want to get you like a little box cutter. Just trim it down just a little bit. That's all you want to do. Just trim it down a little bit till it get kind of, you know, even all the way across as you spin it. And then I'll show y'all the new bushings that clamp around it and the new mount. So this is the part that we're going to be installing. It's going to be replacing that flimsy rubber that's around the actual OEM center support bearing. It's not OEM. I've replaced it before. It's just these are supposed to be a little bit stiffer. All right, so I just wanted to give y'all a quick little look of how I have mine set up. I have the street version bushing, have that bushing inside the top half. It's gonna go essentially just like that. These are the two bolts that run up through the bottom of this and then sandwiches this together. I I did go back and rewatch that video because I do not want to tell y'all wrong. For anybody that is actually watching my video right now, thank you. Please give it a thumbs up and a like if you liked the video thus far. Give me a shout out, give me a subscribe. All right, so that's how I have mine mounted. Give y'all a better view of it. So my writing is facing the front, but that's how it should be. All right, guys, so I got everything installed. I'm gonna show y'all. So you have the bolt, washer, isolator bushing, another isolator bushing, and then the little small washer goes on top of that bushing. So that's how it's supposed to be. The correlation between them, both sides. So yeah. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I'm about to get me some food. My wife just made it home, so yeah. Gotta go take a break, but I will definitely give y'all a review. I do plan on going back to Yellow Belly to see if it makes any difference in reaction time or whatever, but y'all will find that out in the next video. But without further ado, I'll catch y'all in the next one.